A proportion of an object is usually given as a fraction comparing a part of the object with the complete object. So let's just take a look at the grid we have here with different color squares filled in, and we'll talk about proportion in relation to this example. So if we were asked what proportion of this shape is colored orange, what we would do is we'd first count the number of orange squares. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 orange squares, and then we have to figure out how many squares there are total. Well, there are 5 across and 5 down, so there are 25 squares. So what we have here is the proportion that is orange is 10/25, which can be simplified down in this particular case. Both 10 and 25 can be divided by 5, so that's 2/5. So 2/5 of this shape is shaded orange. Alright, and then if we look again, we'll go say to purple this time. So the amount that's shaded purple, let's just count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be 6/25 is purple. Then we'll look at the green. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4/25 is green. And if we look at blue, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for blue, we have 5/25, which if we simplify that down is 1/5. But proportion can also be given as a percentage. And all you're doing if you are asked for it as a percentage is you're going to start off by getting it as your fraction, as we have just done, and then you simply convert your fractions to a percentage. The way you convert a fraction to a percentage is you multiply it by 100/1. So 2/5 times 100/1 will give us 40%. 6/25 multiplied by 100/1 is going to give us 24%. 4/25 multiplied by 100/1 is going to give us 16%. And 1/5 multiplied by 100/1 is going to give us 20%. So what we can say about this shape is that 40% of it is shaded orange, 24% of it is shaded purple, 16% of it is shaded green, and 20% of it is shaded blue. And that is the basics of proportion.